So I just got asked this by one of our people reaching out to us for help with vertigo, and I gotta share with you the answers. Should I get my second booster shot? So my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been working with people to help remove the blockages in your health to make sure you lead an amazing, fantastic life. Now this is a question that really is kind of loaded, okay? And you've got to make a decision for yourself. Just as you've had to make a decision for yourself on any of the other booster shots or vaccines that wound up being offered. Now this person was asking me if they should because they had a reaction to their last one. And my guidance was for them to really ask them, why do you need it? You know, if you're gonna wind up doing something to your body, you've got to have a very good reason. And making sure that if you decide to do something, you know what the consequences are. And for this person, they wound up having vertigo for almost 3 weeks afterwards and trying to figure out how to get out of it. You've got to decide what the benefits are and what the risks are. You also have to decide, if you choose not to do something like that, what are you doing to invest in yourself so that your body can become stronger in supporting itself and protecting itself should you run into a virus or bacteria. We should be asking ourselves that every day, regardless of whether or not you wind up using a vaccine or a booster. We should be taking steps every day to wind up continuing to develop our health so that our bodies become stronger. So should we take the second booster shot? Well, I'm gonna leave it up to you. I think from this video, you may have some ideas of what my opinion is, but I gotta let you know, every individual case is different. If you want help, I wanna invite for you to schedule a discovery call with me so we can work through your options, your concerns, and to figure out the best answer for you. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.